Hello everyone, myself Neha Sharma, Assistant Professor from Sant Haridas College of Higher Education. Our today's topic is the World Bank. What is World Bank? The World Bank is an international financial institution that provides loans to developing countries for capital programs. It is combination of two institutions, International Bank of Reconstruction and Development or IBRD and the International Development Association IDA. The World Bank is a component of the World Bank Group and a member of the United Nations Development Group. Now, this is the structure of World Bank Group. As we know that World Bank is part of World Bank Group. So there are four main components of World Bank Group. The first is World Bank, International Finance Corporation, International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes, Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency. World Bank in this World Bank has two parts, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development or International Development Association. Mostly the question arises, is the World Bank or IBRD are same? Yes, because as we know that IBRD is also part of World Bank. So the objective and functions of IBRD and World Bank are same. The World Bank is an international organization that helps emerging market countries to reduce poverty. The World Bank provides low interest loans, interest free credit, and grants. It focuses on improving education, health, and infrastructure. Moreover, it uses funds to modernize a country's financial sector, agriculture, and natural resources management. The current president of World Bank is David Malpass, and the number of member countries of World Bank are 185, and the staff approximately 7,000 employees in Washington DC headquarters and over 3,000 in offices around the world. So the head office or headquarter of World Bank is Washington DC, USA. Now, history of World Bank. World Bank was formed on July 1944 following Bretton Woods Conference along with IMF. It was formed to rebuild Europe after World War II. France was the first receiver of World Bank loan. After Marshall Plan went into effect in 1947, the World Bank shifted its focus on non-European countries. From 1974 to 1980, the bank concentrated on meeting the needs of people in developing countries. Beginning in 1989, in response to harsh criticism from many groups, the bank began including environmental groups and NGOs in its loan to mitigate the past effects of its development policies that had prompted the criticism. Yes, during the World War II in year 1944, a decision for establishment of two institutions was taken in conference which held at Bretton Woods in America. The institution be established were IMF or World Bank. So the objective of IMF was stabilize exchange rate by removing temporary balance of payments defects. On the other hand, the objective of World Bank was the reconstruction of war-ravaged economies and provision of necessary capital for the economic development of underdeveloped countries. Now, objectives of World Bank. So, the main objective of World Banks are, the first is reconstruction and development. Yes, the main objective of bank is to reconstruct the war devastated economies like Britain, France, Holland, etc. and to provide economic assistance to underdeveloped countries like India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Burma, etc. Second is encouragement to capital investment. Yes, Another important objective of the bank is to encourage private investor to invest capital underdeveloped countries by means of guarantee of participation in loan and other investment made by private investors, and when private capital is not available on reasonable terms, to supplement private investment by providing on suitable conditions finance for productive purpose out of its own capital, funds raised by its other resources. Next is encouragement to international trade. Yes, the third objective of the bank is to encourage international trade. It aims at promoting long range growth of international trade and maintenance of equilibrium in members' international balance of payments, so that standard of living of the people of member countries is raised. Next is establishment of peacetime economy. Yes, the fourth objective of the bank is to help the member countries change over from wartime economy to peacetime economy. Next is environmental protection. Yes, global environmental protection is also an objective of the bank. To this end, World Bank gave substantial financial assistance to those underdeveloped countries which are engaged in the task of environmental protection. Next is maintenance of equilibrium in balance of payment. Yes, to promote long-term balanced growth of international trade and the maintenance of equilibrium in balance of payments of member countries by encouraging long-term international investment, so as to develop productive resources of member and thereby raising its productivity, the standard of living and labor condition. So all these are objectives of World Bank. Now, functions of World Bank. World Bank helps the war devastated countries by granting them loans for reconstruction. Next, they provide extensive experience and financial resources of the bank, help the poor countries increase their economic growth, reducing poverty and better standard of living. Next, it also helps the underdeveloped countries by granting development loans. Next, it is also provides loan to various governments for irrigation, agriculture, water supply, health, education, etc. Next, it promotes foreign investments to other organizations by guaranteeing the loans. Next, the World Bank also provides economic, monetary and technical advice to the member countries for any of their projects. Next, that it encouraged the development of industrial in underdeveloped countries by introducing the various economic reforms. Now, purpose of World Bank. What are the main purpose of World Bank? World Bank wants, the first purpose is the World Bank wants to create an environment that is a pro-investment. Next, it also wants to improve the economic stability by reducing poverty. Next, it working towards achieving sustainable growth. Next, increasing the opportunity for jobs and businesses in member nations which are underdeveloped. Next, through investment, it plans to promote the socio-economic status of the society. Next, it also wants to ensure that the judicial and legal system are developed and individual rights are protected. Next, strengthen the government of its member nations by promoting education. Next, combating corruption and to ensure that there are adequate training opportunities and research facilities. Next, it was provide loans with low interest rates and interest-free credit. The sources and disbursement of funds. Banks obtains most of the funds through borrowing from capital markets of developed nations from its retained earning and flow of free payments on its loans. Next, loans are usually payable over a period of 15 to 20 years with a grace period of 5 years. Next, loans are provided to a government of respective country or private sector company guaranteed by that country's government. I hope you understand the facts about the World Bank. Thank you. Thank you so much.